Unscrew the plastic bracket. Remove the plastic bracket carefully as there is fan wire clip near the left, so be careful. Remove the fan wire clip carefully. Now you can separate the plastic frame bracket and the board. Take this time to clean the fins. I just clean it roughly, so you should clean it much more than it. Remove the rest of the screw. The screw here is attached to the heatsink fan. Remove the heatsink gently as it will snap off. Clean the GPU die with alcoholic tissue or fabric. Also clean the heatsink fan where the GPU contact. Finish this off with dry lint-free cloth, also for the GPU die. Arctic MX4 is used. Spread the MX4. The GPU application is different than CPU. If you using CPU, you only put one drop, but this one it is direct to the die. There is no thermal interface metal. Okay, so you need to spread it out. Align the screw hole, not the screw hole. Yeah. Rescrew all the heatsink screw. Also replace the plastic bracket and fan wire and screw all of it. Do not forget to like the video. And subscribe.